Hello, my name is Mariana. Welcome to my channel for tutorials on After Effects and Premiere. Today my task is to animate a shark, for which I have prepared an Illustrator file of a shark in advance. First, we start by importing the file, or we can just drag it into the program, like this. We take the shark again, place it in our workspace, and it appears. How do I plan to animate the shark? I plan to cut its fin, the back fins, and leave only the body. How will this happen? Very simple. We copy the shark. This is done with Ctrl and D, and here, our file appears again. Now we start processing the fin. We solo the file, the second file. We rename it first to tail. And start. What do we need? We need this tool. This tool. We zoom in nicely on the screen and start cutting it out. Maybe from here. It doesn't need to be very precise. After all, this is a working file. We reach the tail and round it a bit. And done. Here is our tail. Now we need the body as well. So we rename the bottom file to body, and in the same way, we cut it out. I will cut it faster because it will not move. Maybe up to here. And done. Now, if we solo it again, we see only the body of the shark. It wouldn't hurt to make a solid file to serve as background. Let's choose, say, a black background to see the shark more clearly. Here it is. It appears on top. We move it underneath so we can see the shark. Now, both the shark and tail and body are visible. So, what's our next step? The next step is to find the anchor point of the tail, which is very important, because it is actually the base of the movement itself. Here. We will find it. Here it is. We place it where the tail will move from. Similarly, we find the anchor point of the shark and place it in the center. Okay. Continuing. What should our tail do? Our tail must move. But how should it move? It should move in and out. But if we use simple rotation, we call rotation with shortcut R. Now let's see. Look how it moves. This is not the natural tail movement. It should move out, toward the horizon, and out. This will happen if we make our file 3D. 3D is enabled by pressing here under the cube. Now let's see how it moves. Along Y or Z, let's try. It moves along. This way. This is not our goal. Z moves like this. Still not correct, but Y moves exactly as we want. In and out. Let's begin. At the first second, our first position is here. We mark it with the stopwatch. The second position is maybe here, and we adjust the tails. Place, like this. After 20 more frames, we adjust it. Like this. We want this motion to repeat. Here. This motion here. And this. This is our motion. So we simply select the two positions, copy them with Ctrl+C, paste with Ctrl+V. Now we copy all four, paste, and see what happens. Look. Our preview. Here it is. We start from here. Maybe slower will be better, so I